Hi, it's Tom. We've just finished our Wembley Microsoft Teams event, and one of the questions was what's the best way to ensure governance, security and adoption. This is a bit of an easy layup because we have a particular approach to this. We use the data in our PowerBI reporting. So we look at, are people using Teams correctly in the context of governance? So is the naming convention right? Are they sharing the right files? Are there any sensitivity labels in there? Are there guests in Teams that are public, which means anybody can join or leave? So for governance and security, that's our lifecycle management. We also have CreateTeam, which is an app in Teams that allows people to create teams right the first time. So the right security policy, the right naming convention, the right template. On the user adoption side or the service management side, the story is kind of the same, data. We can look at who's using Teams, how they're using it, that it makes sense for their use case, and help drive the adoption automation process, the whole change management story around driving an actual outcome. So the short answer is we think without the data, you can't really drive Teams governance, security and adoption, and also without the data, you can't scale automation and systems to proactively coach and cajole and nudge your users into doing the right thing. So if you're on a big Teams rollout, we'd love to talk to you about how we use data to help drive governance, security and change. Thanks.